Nathan.
Kroger.
What is it?
Kroger.
Kroger. And where
Say-
else do you like to
Say
eat?
Kroger.
Kroger.
Where did we go yesterday? Where did we go shopping? Did we go to Costco?
Can you say Costco? Yeah.
Nathan, can you say Costco? No.
Tell Auntie.
Where do you like to eat?
Kroger.
No. Do you like to eat at Arby's?
Kroger.
Kroger.
Arby's.
Kroger.
Kroger.
Say Arby's. Can you say Arby's? What do you?
Nathan, what kind of food do you like to eat?
Kroger. Abby.
Arby's.
Arby's.
Where else do you go eat? Say tacos.
The Taco Bell.
Do you eat at tacos?
I want
Tomorrow you can have tacos.